My little niece has the hiccups. Any hiccups gone yet, baby? Okay, nope. I think our hiccups are gone now. I'm videotaping her. And this is my friend. She did my makeup.
And your hairstyle.
And my hairstyle, I guess.
Oh, we gotta move the stuff for your mom. Your mom has to pee.
Gotta move the baby too and stuff.
What are you trying to say, something, baby? I'm moving the baby, Dad.
I'm using my stuff. All the other stuff is hers.
No, she says the cutest little things.
Not all of it. Okay, so let's get this one.
This is papers and shit on the floor. These papers.
Okay. Sorry, the makeup fell. Oh, it's my paper. I got it. You want attention, baby?
Wait, does it work?
No.
Oh, you should get batteries for it.
Giant baby. Giant baby. Ah! Kidding, she's this big.
Jazmine. Where's the cutie Jazmine?
Big baby.
Stop it.
It's funny. It's so. Giant Teresa.
Jazmine. 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 Where's that cute Jazmine? Yeah. Jazmine, Jazmine, Jazmine. Look at that pretty Jazmine. Look at her.
Look at we're both. Look at what our cameras are.
This is my friend Aubrey.
And this is Teresa.
I did her makeup.
It's okay, baby. We're paying attention.
She's a pretty little baby.
And this is
Jazmine.
Teresa. She flashes her boobs. I'm kidding. It's a joke.
Jazmine.
She's wearing a blue rose shirt and I'm wearing a dress.
Jazmine. Where's your necklace, Aubrey? Jazmine. Stop turning your eyes. Jazmine. He's better to look the world is bad. Then comes the rain and what the It's okay. It's okay.
Gotta go now. Bye.
Bye.